Hello world, this is Sugar Coder. In this video I will be doing a review on these JASSE chocolate covered cookies. It's basically Oreo cookies covered in chocolate. These chocolate covered cookies make a great gift to give to someone. For example, putting it in a gift box for Mother's Day. So in this video I used these chocolate covered cookies to make surprise inside cupcakes. In a muffin pan filled with baking cups, I put a little bit of the vanilla cupcake batter, and then I placed a chocolate covered cookie into each baking cup like this. Then I covered the top of the cookie with more vanilla cupcake batter. These chocolate covered cookies saved me a lot of time because I didn't have to go out and buy a package of Oreo cookies just to cover it with chocolate and let it harden. After the cupcakes are baked and cooled completely, I decorated the top of a cupcake with vanilla buttercream frosting before generously covering it with nonpareil sprinkles, just like the chocolate covered cookies. Then I placed the chocolate covered cookie on top of the cupcake, and that's it. These cupcakes are adorable and great for events. So to get these delicious chocolate covered cookies, I put a link in the video description along with a promo code, so check it out. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.